Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about AsEnumerable method is not a member of SystemDataDataTable error in C#. Otherwise, we can say that like data table does not contain a definition for AsEnumerable error in C#. So basically, this is a type of error which we usually face uh, when we when we are just trying to use the edge enumerable method inside the data table. And let me first tell you like what is the edge enumerable. So edge enumerable basically used when we just want to cast a specific type to its IEnumerable equivalent. So this such type of error arises only in case of your data table, and also like I will try to reproduce that error, and I will show you how to resolve that error, like how we can resolve that error with the programmatically. Now let me move to Visual Studio so that I will show you it with the programmatically. So as I already explained that this error arises in case of the data table. So let me first create a data table dt, or I can give equal to new data table. Alright. So it is showing me the error. So we need to add that namespace, and the namespace is system.data. And when I just added the system.data namespace, then that error got removed. Now here you can see that I created the object of the data table, and by using that object I can do like any kind of operations, anything. So let me here use that edge enumerable method dot edge enumerable method. Alright, but when I just added that edge enumerable method, it is showing me that data table does not contain a definition for edge enumerable, and no accessible extension method edge enumerable accepting a first argument of type data table could be found. So are you missing or a using directive or an assembly reference? So basically the edge enumerable method does not contain under the system.data namespace. So it belongs to a different namespace, and that namespace is system.data.dataset extension. So whenever in your day-to-day life in the programming field, whenever you just want to use that edge enumerable, so you need to add the particular namespace. So let's say if I'll just add that namespace, then this error will remove. So dataset extension is the namespace name, but here you can see that namespace is not yet present, so we need to just add that namespace. So there are two ways we can add it. So just the first one is by using the NuGet package. Otherwise you can just go to the reference section and click on add reference, and here you can see in the assemblies, here there will be a the assembly called as the system.data.dataset extension. Just check this one and click OK. Now you can see here in the references section, the system.data.dataset extension got added. Now if I come back to the program, as soon as I added the system.data.dataset extension method, the error got removed. Now here you can see it belongs to that namespace, which is the system.data.dataset extension. As soon as you add, then that error got removed. Now here you can add like select, okay, or after that order by or by group by or anything. So whatever like you want to do, okay. But the error is like to resolve that error, we just need to add that system dot data.dataset extension. Now let me show you again here in the references section. Here, this is the namespace we just need to add. I mean this is the assembly we just need to add. And let's say when you click on the add reference, and if it is not present there, then from the NuGet package also you can add it, system.data.dataset extension. And here you can see, as soon as I added, that error got removed. And after this you can do to select and like group by or anything, so whichever you want. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.